Cities consume nearly 40% of the world's energy, and street lighting alone accounts for a major share. What if we could reduce energy waste? Between massive energy wastage and high CO2 emissions, outdated management isn't just inefficient, it's a total waste. Integrated smart lighting controllers by True iSense, you can monitor, schedule, and operate, whether it is single lighting control or want to control lighting of specific zone of a city. With smart day-night scheduling, lights activate only when needed, remains off during day, and illuminates in dark with auto-dimming functionality. When a fault occurs, whether in a single light or the integration, the system triggers an immediate SMS or mail notifications, allowing your team to address issues before they become complaints.
A unified smart ecosystem that automates, secures, connects, and optimizes your entire operation in real time. With auto-dimming functionality, auto day-night scheduling, energy consumption, energy monitoring with fault diagnostics, and SMS and email alerts, your lighting stays smart, safe, and super efficient automatically. Smart Lighting Control System uses multiple seamless communication protocols. Designed to optimize energy and enhance safety, True iSense allows cities to shine brighter while reducing their carbon footprint and operational costs. Stop wasting crores and suffocating your city with carbon emissions. Switch to True iSense. Save your budget, save your city, and protect thousands of mature trees. True iSense, the future of urban lighting.